So what you guys built today?
What we have right here is a nice gaming PC for PCBros.tech featuring an i5-10400f and a 6700 XT, and it will make you...
I was really slow with that. So as far as the other specs go, we also have the MSI MPG Z690, a 1TB 2.5-inch SSD with a 512GB NVMe, 16 gigs of 3600 megahertz RAM. We also have a Seagate 750-watt 80+ gold. That is PCIe Gen 3 ready. So, well, I guess it's technically ATX 3.0 ready. I kind of messed up on that part. But you can put a new 4070 Ti or whatever you want in this because you got plenty of wattage. And yeah, it's a super sweet build. We really like the inside of this kind of white background of the case. You know, we got the LCD display that is customizable. And this one will be 1,150 at PCBros.tech. I'm struggling this morning.
Buy this PC and many others at PCBros.tech. This PC will not struggle like we are.